Eto na, I am finally doing Ulthera today. Hello, Juday. How are you? Excited. You know, marami kaming agenda ni Juday today.
Yes.
We're gonna do your Ulthera.
Yes.
Right? Kasi alam nyo guys, sobrang blooming ng aking friend na si Juday.
Because, syempre, may trust ka sa inyong doktora.
Thank you, Juday.
May output.
Tsaka consistent. Diba, Juday? Ilang years na tayo? Super tagal na.
Kung ilang years kaming kasal ni Rai?
Exactly. Ilang years kayo?
15.
What?
Yes.
Oh my gosh!
15
years
na
na tayo!
Oh my gosh!
How come we still look the same?
Diba? Ikaw na tayo.
Oh my God, so you're celebrating with us.
Yes!
I was 15.
15.
So Juday was there when I started.
Yep. Fresh pa yung clinic mo noon.
Ikakasal ka pa lang.
Ikakasal pa lang.
Imagine, Juday has been there from the very start.
Yep, yo.
Kasi si Juday parang nag-freeze yung age niya. She still looks exactly how she looked 15 years ago. Actually, with Juday, we don't see each other every month. But when we see each other, consistent tayo.
Under eye, ngayon ko lang to actually go.
Huh?
Yes.
Before ba?
No. Concern ko talaga kasi yung eyelash. Kasi kahit naka-concealer siya, syempre pag lumalalim na yung gabi, nagpa-puff na siya. Or kahit may mga moments lang nag-puffy siya. Kailangan si jawline.
So we're almost done.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah.